Today in finno-ugric machining we are doing brain surgery to the Schaublin. We are going to look inside the electric cabinet. Yes, this might be disturbing to some of the persons who would like to do a perfect restoration. I'm not one of those persons. I will actually do a practical restoration. I will bring this machine in a state where it is usable. Therefore, there will be some plans how I will continue from here. You will also see me remove the brains of this machine. Well, let's go on and put the machine in some anesthetic. The electronic department of this machine is located behind this metal plate. You might think there is some relays, maybe some fuses, maybe something else. A lot of wires. What a mess. Well, let's see about that. Nothing is going to be surprising me, as I have been doing electric and electronics all my life. And as long as I can remember, and at the moment it's more than 50 years. So let's go on with this. The plate comes off quite easily. Only the two screws off, and there you go. Well, what would you expect? The backside of this plate is, it's quite stiff actually, made of aluminium. These three are the main fuses of the machine. They are rated at 10 amps and, just screw them off because you need to take off the cover plate inside the housing. Well, now that the fuses are off the way, the cover plate can be lifted off. There are three little knobs on that one. They are used to reset the current sensing relays whenever they trip off. The main power input of this machine is located at the bottom of the pedestal. Well, I don't like this place as if you have a power cord there, it might be very easily damaged. If you are having a fixed installation, then probably this is the correct place, but in my case it is not. Well, it seems like these cuttings defy gravity. They are collecting in a place where they should never ever arrive. Shop air, maybe? Not a very good idea to have these near 380 volts AC, and there is more. These cuttings were situated in a place where they might short circuit the mains, and you cannot set up a fire, but you certainly will blow up your fuse in the mains fuse in your wall. That's also not a very good thing, and no, this is horrible. After disconnecting the connector, I found out that it's covered with the cuttings all over. So using this would have been a disaster in a way. Well, yes, I'm going to clean it all up. Here I am measuring the depth of this cabinet. I'm measuring it to see if the VFDs fit in there comfortably. Well, they do not. I need to put some elevation there, maybe some plastic ring inside the housing so that the space becomes deeper. I need something like 5 centimeters more. The machine, inside the machine, there is no trouble to do this. There is space enough there. So this shouldn't be a problem. Just do it from plastic. Wood, no, plastic. This is the 24-volt transformator. There will be no use for this one once I install the 3 VFDs into this machine. These are the connectors for the motors. The threads are going to each motor. There is 3 of them. One for the spindle, one for the automatic movements, and one for the coolant pump. Here I am removing the components, the electric components from the machine. These relays are no more needed, and there is a lot of wires between them, and nothing of this is really no more needed. Well, they are probably nice components, but VFDs contain all the needed stuff. I will not throw these away. I will put them in a box, label it well, and thereafter, if a need arises to fully restore this machine, it's still possible. I will not bore a million holes into this one. I will reuse the existing ones, etc. But the old stuff must first, it must get away. Yeah, finally the electric cabinet is quite empty. The fuse holders, probably I put them aside as well. And and the wiring we have here, it's quite old. I probably will replace all the wires with some newer stuff. And for those of you who have been watching this so far, there is an appetizer. This one, under this plate there is kind of a filter, and seems like it has been screwed, and the screws are no more there. And under there you can find another filter. And so nothing very big should not bypass this one. Let's see what's inside. It should be quite clean. Is it? No. That's horrific. I'm just halfway through with this one. The backside is already done. And I need to clean up this part of the coolant tank as well. Okay. Well, here it was. Not too bad. After all, it's just a machine. And I already have two of the VFDs back home in Finland. I need yet another one for the coolant pump. And after that, I'm good to go and install them inside the electric cabinet. So, what will be our thing next time? Well, let's see about that. See you then. Bye.